How to draw Kanao Tsuyuri. Chinaho is very good to draw. You start with a sector. Mark the position of the ear. Draw a semicircle from top to bottom from the sector. Mark the neck in collar position. Homeopathically draw down some doctors. Draw a triangle at 1/3 of the sector. Mark the eye position above the triangle diagonally. The top of the sector marks the position of the head curtain. Start writing at half the semicircle and mark the ponytail. Draw the nose and upper and lower lips in the triangle. Draw eyebrows. Draw eyes. Go along the hairline to draw the head curtain. Start with the sideburns until the ears are drawn. Draw the hair direction in the semicircle. Draw headdress. Draw the details of the clothes. Finally draw the ponytail, and we're done with Chanel. All bosses have learned. Please post your drawings in the comment area, so let's have a look. Subscribe.